guys, welcome to another video called Sound Pressure. And today's Sound Pressure, we're here in Times Square, and I still got that evil Sony speaker with me, and we're gonna whoop that speaker with a belt today. And also, whatever you guys do, if a lot of crowded people see me whooping that speaker, probably they don't mind, but I hope people might mind their business as they could. You know, I'm kind of a little nervous because this is going to be a big mess, and we're going to be responsible to clean this mess up. So that doesn't bother me, as long as we don't end up getting in trouble. Because definitely I don't bring amplifiers, radios, receivers here in Times Square, because they told me I'm gonna need a permit in order to play music. So without further ado, let's start whooping that speaker with a belt. And we're crazy. All right, Jocelyn, you go.
This is my only belt that I got.
What belt?
The one I'm wearing.
Just take them out.
Only the belt, not my pants. So people don't get the misconception.
Hope that pants will not fall.
Ready?
Ready. Whoop! Oh, it breaks. I can see that it's open. Hold my camera.
A lot of good reactions from people.
See if it's open now.
Probably killed it.
It's just the lid of a grill.
Damn.
Anyways, matter of fact, throw it away. Throw it in the trash can. Throw it.
Over there?
Yeah, throw it in the trash can. Come, hurry up. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can feel that it's still locked up. It does have a screw there that I can just, recycle? It don't matter, just throw them away. So Jocelyn, there's no point of whooping it and breaking it, because you know there's a screw right there that you can still use, like a Phillips screw there. But Jocelyn, push that woofer, see if it's locked up. Is it locked? No. Just push. No. It's like this.
Oh shit, my bad. Yeah, it's locked up.
You feel that it's locked up?
Yeah. Oh, I didn't mean to push that thing in. I'm sorry.
That's all right. It's gonna break anyway. So.
Spending money just to break shit, but hey, we don't need them.
I forgot to take. You know, I should have just brought like a.
No, but you did get the video of me whooping it in the front. This little area.
Yeah, but I can still see the grill is like taken off already. So what we want to do is anyway, just fuck it. I'll just unscrew it off later, but it's gonna break anyway.
You have no screwdriver, so we can't really like.
This one breaks too. Hang on. Hold my camera. I want to see what it is. Matter of fact, let me just take the woofer out of there. Fuck that shit. As long as it breaks. Yeah, put the shit out already.
This is recording, right?
Yeah, it is recording.
All right. Okay. Damn.
Much better.
We're gonna smash it on the floor?
No. I'm gonna take it home and start blowing up. Start blowing up the speaker. After I took the woofer out, we're gonna whoop that speaker box. We're gonna do this together. And it's gonna be a game.
Oh.
That's all right. Pick this up and we throw them away.
Nah, you should have recorded the reactions of people when I was hitting it. That would have been better.
Well, they saw us.
Yeah, but you should have recorded their reactions because there are people looking at me hitting that speaker.
Jocelyn, trust me on that. It's going on YouTube.
All right. All right.
That's my hand. Wait, hold up.
Oh, you want to slam it?
Smash it until it breaks.
Oh, excuse me.
It's all right. We cleaned it up.
All right. I'm sagging.
Put it in the box.
Poor speaker.
When I go home,
Yeah, you broke it, bro. You saw us doing that, right?
I don't know. I saw something break it, but I don't know.
Yeah, it was this. It was this.
Oh, no.
Alexis? Alexis, oh, here.
I got. Man, that is a lot of pieces that end up smashing it away. Isn't that crazy?
Not gonna lie, at first I was nervous, but I'm okay with it. All right, bro.
Just you can put your belt back on.
Yeah, I know. Can you hold this, please?
Sure.
Brooklyn, baby. I'm not from Brooklyn. Oh, wow.
All right, guys. As you can still see right here, now you can still see there's two woofers that I literally took that was in the was from the speaker box, and also I definitely broke in a lot of pieces there. So, but I'm gonna keep these two woofers, so when I get home, I'm gonna blow them up using the receiver or an amplifier. And I want to see the reaction, and I promise you that this dust cap will be taken off was from the woofer. I'm gonna start putting these two woofers stuffed in my backpack. So when I get home, I'm gonna start blowing up the speaker, blowing up the woofers, except the speaker box that we're gonna start whooping in. But I need to start doing these pieces in the garbage can, so it doesn't make no messes again. So yeah, I'll be back for the next video, and stay tuned.
All right, New York City. Now the two woofers are gone, I'm gonna whoop that speaker till it goes bye-bye. I'm gonna kick it, I'm gonna break it until it goes dismantled. So, while being the brakes off the speaker, I would like to say it's prayers. Here lies speakers. It was nice playing with you, but sometimes you gotta go.
Careful so you don't hit no people. Oh, trying to stop it.
I see a couple of pieces is like falling off. But we'll clean it up afterwards. We're making a video.
Just do me a favor, make sure you clean it up when you're done.
Yeah, we're responsible.
I appreciate
We clean it up
Thank you,
afterwards.
gentlemen. Thank you.
Wait.
I'm exhausted now because I hit this speaker.
All right, you can put this away. It's my turn now.
All right, guys. So this speaker box is going bye-bye. I will whoop that speaker, punch that speaker, kick that speaker, stump it, because this is the hood. It's Times Square. Now, I'm upset right now. And I will whoop that speaker until it dies. Kev, all right. Sorry. Go in. Go that way.
I did this so I won't show the identity of other people.
All right. It's
Yeah.
recording now, right?
Yeah.
All right, Sony. You a piece of crap.
Damn. This is funny. This is real funny. You're getting reactions from people.
Okay, I don't want to do that because my belt's gonna break.
Yeah. I was concerned with my belt when I was keep doing that, but hey.
Man, I gotta get a new belt, bro, for real.
Oh, we need it. I need another belt. No, but no,
How
my
damaged this belt looks? It's fucked up now. You see that?
yeah.
My belt is like fucked up.
No. Oh, damn. I said you could stomp in it at least.
See? See how damaged it is? Ah, shit.
Just stomp it. Just stomp it. Don't hurt your hands, bro.
Wait, hold on. I got something.
Whoa.
All right, now I can clean this up.
Oh man, I got the video. I got the part of you jumping that speaker, but I didn't see. No, it's only showing your lower half of the body. So.
All right, Johnson. Do me a favor. Can you throw this out? You know you can throw that in the trash can.
Yeah.
Right? You pick those up too.